How to fix Amazon Prime login loop problem. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the login loop problem on Amazon Prime. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you're facing Amazon Prime login loop problem, there could be various reasons for this. Now on your Prime Video app, if you're facing such kind of errors that is not letting you log in, it is constantly looping back to the main screen again. Now first, make sure it's not the issue with your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem in the process. If that doesn't, if you're using Prime Video app on Android, you can just long press the Prime Video app, tap on the I button to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device, by the way. And when you've done that, what we actually want to do is we want to go to the storage tab. We can clear the cached files and we can also choose to clear our data. Now when we've done that, we can go to Play Store or App Store, check if the Prime Video app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it. If it's still not working, you can actually just try to reset your password and see if those things actually also help you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.